Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1. My name is Emmanuel and now I'm going to show you how to test this capacitor. In this case, this is a big capacitor like we are watching in my hand. The information about this capacitor, we are watching that information here on the capacitor. In this case, this capacitor has 220 volts, 560 microfarads. The important number here is 560 microfarads. This number must be the same that we need to watch on the digital multimeter screen for know if this capacitor is good or not. Now, the first step is discharge this capacitor. How can I do it? Very easy. Take this and now do this. Touch with this tip, this point and this point in this way. Okay, now is safe touch here with my finger. Okay, the next step is turn on this Smart Digital Multimeter. Press this key. Okay, press here. Now ready. Now press here to choose the mode. In this case, I mean the farad mode. Press again, and ready. Now, this is the mode to test capacitor. In this mode, we can measure nanofarad, microfarad, and other side of numbers of farads to know if this capacitor is good or not. Now, the next step is touch here, touch here, and now touch here, and watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this capacitor has 0.532 millifarads. This means 532 microfarads. It means this capacitor is good. But first, we need to do other thing. Press here, hold key. Now, the number on the digital multimeter screen stay on the screen. Now disconnect. Okay. And now, let's to watch the number on the capacitor is 560 microfarads. And the number on the digital multimeter is 531 microfarads. It means this number is very near or very close to this number. It means this capacitor is good because the difference between this number and this number is little. It means this capacitor is good. It's not in excellent condition, but is in good condition in this case. And in this way, we can test a capacitor like this using a smart digital multimeter like this. Now, press again, hold key. Okay. Okay. And in this way, you can test a capacitor like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a like, share this video, and now I have a very important message for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.